Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Darius Collier. Glad you guys are here to kind of help me out with a little problem that I'm having. I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to let go of my daily driver and switch it out with something else. Maybe one of my old school classics, or maybe later on I'll probably find something else of a newer generation caddy, or maybe it's just something new with a little bit more power. So I have a 2014 Cadillac CTS V-sport. It's been a great car. I love it. I love everything about it. I love the interior. I love the drive. I love the twin turbos, how they sound. I like everything about the car. But I think it's about that time, man. I'm just an automotive enthusiast, and sometimes when you just have another car, when they're bringing out cars every year, it just gets a little boring. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below, and you guys let me know exactly what it is that you guys think that I should do. So this is actually, I can get two things done at one time. This is probably actually going to be a review also for those of you that know nothing about caddies and the Cadillac V-sport and the V's and the series or whatever, but I'll go ahead and show you guys anyways. Okay, so this is the caddy here. As you guys can see from the outside, it's a beautiful black paint on the exterior. Check out the lines on the car. Coming towards the back. How low and nice it is. And nice tinted windows. Those are Brembo brakes, so they are upgraded with Brembo brakes. It's a really nice looking car. The reason I wanted the 2014 is because this emblem here, this is the classic emblem. If you get a Cadillac in 2015 and up, you're going to get a different emblem, which was the newer upgraded version. Have a sunroof here at the top. Show you guys in the inside. See these beautiful brown seats. I think when I seen this car, I saw the black, but when I saw the interior, it just sold me. I mean, these seats here, they wrap up. Here on the sides, you can make them bulge in a little bit because it is a sports car. So it will keep you real nice and tucked in, and you know that leather, you don't want to slide all the way around. Just showing you the nice little details inside the car. You see on the side step here, lights up. Back seat, say pretty spacious. Let me crank it up for you guys. Push start. So you see you got this digital dash here. Once again, I have this beautiful Cadillac crest. I love the inside all because you are able to switch up like the dash here. Change everything around. You want to put the PSI for the boost, tire pressure. You can do everything there. You keep your display on this side. If you want to change up the entire look, You can change it to the simple look. We can change it to enhanced. Or maybe even performance. So this thing has a couple modes. Right now I do believe we're on touring. Put it in sport, track. Also has snow. And getting ready to race. You have the buttons here. Take traction control off. Hit it twice. You can get it in competitive mode. Show you again how it looks on the outside. So here's the engine bay. Nice clean layout. Thing runs smooth. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. We'll see. I got a day to decide on it.